Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Defi token that's the DPET token on Trust Wallet by simply opening up your Google Chrome. You'd be gaining access to coinmarketcap.com, where the DPET is ranked 1268. You simply need to copy this smart chain token like I did. The link to this site would be pasted in the video description. Once that's done, you simply minimize and head over to your Trust Wallet. After inputting your passcode, that's to gain access, you're dropped at the tokens menu, where you simply use this toggle at the top right corner of the screen. You paste the contract address. My Defi pet token shows up. We're going to be using the native network of Trust Wallet, being the smart chain, which is BEP20. We activate the coin. As you can see here, it has a price, and it can be tracked as well. And now all we need to do is head over to the DApp section. From here, we head over to the DApp section. Click on PancakeSwap. That's pancakeswap.finance. After giving it some time to load in, make sure your wallet is connected by simply clicking on this blue icon here. If it shows you disconnect, like I just highlighted, if it shows disconnect, it means your wallet is connected. And now all you need to do is click on this cake right here, where the cake is shown. Click on cake. Paste the contract address you just copied. After pasting, click on import. That's my DefiPet, DPET. Click on import. Click on I understand. Click on import again. If you noticed a while back, this DefiPet token is actually also available on the Ethereum network, which means you could make use of Uniswap to get this token. That's the ERC version of this token. You could use Uniswap for that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get about $1 worth of this coin. That's $1.27 worth, is equivalent to 18.539 DPET coins. Before you click on swap, we set the slippage tolerance to about 1%. Since it's low risk, you click on swap. You click on confirm swap, and the contract address pops up, and we're paying a network fee of 0.28 BNB. Click on approve. We wait for this token to be swapped. And once it's done, you click on add DPET to Trust Wallets. You click on close. You head over to your tokens menu, and you take note of the price. That's $26 and 0.6 cents. You reload, and your DefiPet token is made available to you on Trust Wallet. As you can see here, we have the 18.53 DPETs. That's the coin we just swapped for. We just swapped BNB for. All right, guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to buy the DefiPet token, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.